Retirement. It's a word that evokes different emotions for everyone. Maybe you picture lazy days on the beach, or perhaps it's finally pursuing that hobby you never had time for. Whatever your vision, one thing's for sure. A comfortable retirement requires planning, and that's where the 401k comes in. The 401k is a powerful tool for building a nest egg. It allows you to save for retirement on a tax-advantaged basis. This means you can potentially grow your money faster than in a regular savings account. But like any financial product, it's crucial to understand how it works. This guide will walk you through the ins and outs of the 401k. We'll cover its history, benefits, and drawbacks. We'll also explore whether it's the right choice for you. Retirement planning can seem daunting, but remember, the most important step is to start. And with the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions to secure your financial future. The 401k may seem like a modern invention, but its roots go back to 1978. That's when this section of the Internal Revenue Code was created. It was initially intended as a little-known tax break. Few could have predicted its impact. Fast forward to the 1980s and the 401k started to gain traction. Companies began offering it as a retirement savings plan for their employees. This marked a significant shift away from traditional pension plans. Over the years, the 401k has become a cornerstone of retirement planning in the United States. Millions of Americans rely on it to fund their golden years, but it has also faced its share of criticism. Understanding the evolution of the 401k is crucial. It helps us appreciate its strengths and weaknesses. It also allows us to make informed decisions about our own retirement savings strategies. So how does a 401k actually work? Imagine it as a special account where you stash away money for retirement. You contribute pre-tax dollars from your paycheck. This means the money is taken out before taxes are calculated. This lowers your taxable income, putting more money back in your pocket. But the magic really happens when you choose your investments. Your 401k contributions don't just sit idle. They are invested in different asset classes like stocks and bonds. These investments have the potential to grow over time. And here's the best part. Many employers offer a matching contribution. It's like getting free money. For example, your company might match 50% of your contributions up to a certain percentage of your salary. Think of it this way. You put in money, your employer adds to it, and your investments grow over time. It's a powerful combination that can help you build a substantial retirement nest egg. Let's talk about the benefits of a 401k. One of the biggest advantages is the tax break. As mentioned earlier, contributions are made with pre-tax dollars. This means you're reducing your taxable income right now. This can lead to significant tax savings, especially if you're in a high tax bracket. Another major perk is employer matching. This is essentially free money that boosts your retirement savings. It's like getting a bonus just for saving for your future. Not all employers offer matching, but many do. It's always a good idea to contribute enough to get the full match. Furthermore, the money in your 401k grows tax deferred. This means you don't pay taxes on any earnings until you withdraw the money in retirement. This allows your investments to compound over time, potentially leading to higher returns. In essence, the 401k offers a powerful combination of tax advantages and potential for growth. These benefits make it an attractive option for anyone looking to secure their financial future. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video to stay updated on all our content. The downsides: fees, restrictions, and penalties. While the 401k offers significant advantages, it's essential to be aware of its limitations. One downside is the potential for high fees. These fees can eat into your returns over time. It's crucial to pay attention to the expense ratios of the funds you invest in. Another limitation is the limited investment options. Typically, 401k plans offer a curated selection of mutual funds. You may not have access to individual stocks or other investment vehicles. This lack of flexibility can be a drawback for some investors. And then there's the issue of early withdrawal penalties. If you withdraw money from your 401k before age 59 and a half, you'll generally face a 10% penalty in addition to regular income taxes. This is designed to discourage early withdrawals and encourage long-term saving. Understanding these downsides is crucial before enrolling in a 401k plan. It's essential to weigh the benefits against the limitations to make an informed decision. Criticisms and concerns. Is the 401k perfect? The 401k has faced its share of criticism over the years. One common concern is the lack of guaranteed income. Unlike traditional pension plans, the 401k doesn't promise a fixed payout in retirement. Your income depends on how well your investments perform. Another criticism is the potential for high costs. As mentioned earlier, fees can erode your returns over time. Some critics argue that 401k plans are too expensive and that individuals could achieve better returns by investing on their own. Furthermore, some argue that the 401k system is too complex. The rules and regulations can be confusing, especially for those new to investing. This complexity can discourage people from saving for retirement or lead to costly mistakes. It's important to acknowledge these criticisms and concerns. While the 401k can be a valuable tool, it's not without its flaws. It's crucial to be aware of these issues and consider alternative retirement savings options. Is a 401k right for you? Exploring alternatives. So, is a 401k the right choice for you? The answer depends on your individual circumstances. If your employer offers a matching contribution, it's generally a good idea to contribute at least enough to get the full match. However, if your 401k plan has high fees or limited investment options, you might consider other options. One alternative is a Roth IRA. This type of retirement account offers tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Another option is a traditional IRA. This account allows for tax-deductible contributions and your earnings grow tax-deferred. However, you'll pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that aligns with your financial goals. Consulting with a financial advisor can help you make an informed decision. Key takeaways: building a secure retirement. Navigating the world of retirement planning can feel overwhelming, but remember these key takeaways. Start saving early and take advantage of employer matching contributions. Pay attention to fees and diversify your investments. Don't be afraid to explore alternatives to the 401k. And remember, it's never too late to start planning for your financial future. The most important step is to take action. By educating yourself and making informed decisions, you can build a secure and fulfilling retirement. Remember, your future self will thank you for it. Your retirement journey starts now. Retirement planning is a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process that requires attention and adjustment along the way. And you don't have to do it alone. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What are your biggest retirement concerns? What strategies are you using to build your nest egg? Let's learn from each other and navigate this journey together. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about retirement planning, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. So, let's start the conversation and empower ourselves to create a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching this episode of Financial Fitness Hub. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to explore strategies to grow your wealth and secure your future. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready for more financial insights. See you soon, navigators of financial freedom.